So I've leaned her up on her choke. She's not fully warm yet, but we're still getting some smoky smoke out back here. It's hard to see on the video. So I'm gonna let her get up to temp all the way and maybe take a lap or two around the building. Oh, there, you can see, kind of see the smoke. It's hard to see on video, but it's there. So just sitting here idling, I can watch fuel puddle up on top of this vent tube. Through here where things have been epoxied. I had the same problem on 2 carburetors on JR's Mustang. So I'm gonna drive it around here, around the building. But, wow, I can still see the smoke. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's right there. It's really smoky. So anyway, I'm going to drive around the building, see if it cleans up with some heat. Adjust it a little bit. I might want to replace this car. Okay, so after driving, note puddling back here on the secondaries. I hate when people epoxy these things. We just started Hazel back up. She's been sitting here about 2-3 hours. Fairly cold, no smoke. Tom's gonna give her a try here probably Friday morning. He's gonna drive her home tonight. She's gonna hang out at home tomorrow, and then we shall see. She runs pretty damn smooth.